Hello, welcome everyone. It's great to see you. I wanted to talk to you about something that I think is really important, learning. I know that you spend a lot of time on your mobile device, and while it's great to stay connected and entertained, it's important to also focus on your personal growth and development. Learning is an incredibly valuable and fulfilling experience. It can help you expand your knowledge, improve your skills, and open up new opportunities for you in the future. It can also boost your confidence and sense of accomplishment. But I know that starting to learn something new can feel daunting or overwhelming, especially if you haven't done it in a while. So I want to offer some tips to help you get started. 1. Set a clear goal. Identify what you want to learn and why it's important to you. Having a clear goal in mind can help you stay motivated and focused. 2. Create a plan. Break down your learning journey into smaller, achievable steps. This can help you avoid feeling overwhelmed and make progress one step at a time. 3. Find resources. There are so many resources available for learning, from online courses to books and podcasts. Find resources that resonate with you and fit your learning style. 4. Practice regularly. Learning is a skill that requires practice. Make a commitment to practice regularly, even if it's just a few minutes a day. Remember, learning is a journey, and it's okay to make mistakes and take your time. Don't be too hard on yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. By prioritizing learning, you can achieve great things and grow in ways you never thought possible. So, let's put down our mobile devices for a little while and start learning something new today.